Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install air conditioner weather seal. Now this is a fairly simple task that can save you a lot of money on the efficiency of your air conditioner. For this job I'm going to be using some weather seal and a pair of scissors. When installing the weather seal, the areas that you want to target are the gaps along the side. That way it can cut down the airflow coming into the house. So with the weather seal, one side is tacky, the other side isn't. It's just a foam insulation. So what we'll do is we'll take it starting at the top of the unit, put it into that gap and run it right along the side, pressing it into the gap of the unit. We'll run it all the way down to the base and then we'll pull it back a little bit and cut it where it needs to go. Then we'll take it, push it back into place. After our weather seal is installed, we'll go ahead and peel the backing off of our foam insulation. And that should keep that airflow from coming into the house. You also want to do it along the top of your unit because that air will scoop through there and come through all these little cracks. So you want to do it along the sides and the top of the unit. Basically, anywhere that you have a gap, you can seal it up with this weather seal. Now, applying the weather shield can give you a lot of benefits. But one thing is, if you use the self-adhesive kind, like we were just using, when you go to peel it off, it can leave some residue on your trim. So you want to make sure that you're aware of that before installing it. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.